Hi everyone, Tyler Young with Growatt here, and today we're going to be talking about why string inverters are the smart choice. Microinverters are getting a lot of attention these days, but for companies like Sunrun, where performance and reliability matter most, they're continuing to use Growatt as their primary string inverter option. Here's why. First up, lower cost per watt. Of course, this is a big one. A string inverter system will typically be much cheaper per watt installed than a microinverter system, usually around 30% less expensive in hardware alone. With microinverters, you're paying for a dedicated power electronics unit on every single panel, which means dozens of small inverters instead of one large one to collect and concentrate your power. For a 40-panel array, that's 40 microinverters versus a single 4 MPPT string inverter, like our best-selling MIN or SPH inverters. And additionally, labor costs will further the savings. As installs get larger, only one inverter to mount, wire, and commission is much faster and much cheaper. Simpler design, fewer points of failure. Fewer components on the roof means fewer things that can fail in the harshest part of the solar system environment, the roof. Constantly battling sun, rain, dirt, temperature shifts while cycling on and off hundreds of times daily can cause wear and tear compared to sitting inside of a garage or on the outer wall of a building. Additionally, when something does go wrong, troubleshooting from the ground is always safer and far easier than dealing with one failure among 40 roof-mounted panels. Additionally, the Growatt systems all have rapid shutdown built directly into the inverter itself, which can be a concern for those thinking about going micro. Next up, better economics. The cost advantage of string inverters grows with system size. Multi-string inverters, especially ones with MPPT tracking, like Growatt's MIN, SPH, and off-grid SPE, as well as our commercial systems, let installers handle complex roof geometries, different azimuths, without needing to worry about partial shading or varying string length. You get all of the flexibility at a fraction of the price. Serviceability. If a string inverter needs warranty service, you're shipping or swapping one box. With microinverters, a failure usually means a roof visit and a panel removal, which costs far more in labor than the part itself. Over a 10, 15, or 25 plus year product life and warranty period, this definitely starts to add up. For the majority of residential and commercial installs, string inverters deliver equal or better performance at meaningfully lower costs, while maintaining simpler and faster installs that have easier long-term serviceability. That's why Growatt continues to hold the top spot as the #1 residential inverter provider in the world. We give installers a cost-effective, reliable foundation for both residential and commercial projects. If you want to find out more, check out our website at us.growatt.com. Thanks, I'll talk to you soon.